Bitcoin has begun breaking out above some key resistance levels. We are less than $100 away from seeing a major higher high on the daily chart. Ethereum is also beginning to push up above the downward sloping resistance, which could lead Bitcoin into an even bigger breakout. And also Chainlink is seeing a major push above the 21-day EMA. We have not seen this much price action above the 21-day EMA in a very long time. And also the S&P 500 has broke out to the upside of this rising wedge pattern, which means things could be getting quite bullish. Over the past many weeks on this channel, I've been pretty neutral. I've been discussing some bearish scenarios, some bullish scenarios. I wasn't too sure what to think about the market. And yesterday on Twitter, I said, even though I've been more neutral recently, things so far seem more bullish than I expected. S&P futures breaking out right now, Bitcoin getting above resistance, Ethereum breakout soon, Chainlink potential bullish setup. If global markets continue moving up, it will get bullish again. I'm still a little bit cautious about the global situation, although the bullish case is gaining a little bit of strength. So we're going to be talking about all of this and more in today's video. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Kevin Svenson, and today we're going to be talking about the price of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Chainlink. So I'm looking at the Cryptowatch asset card list, and we can see that Bitcoin did break out again this morning, up 1.5%. Ethereum following Bitcoin up 3.43%, and Chainlink is up over 11.5%. Before we get started on this video, definitely smash up that like button. So things are starting to heat up once again. If we look at Bitcoin on the daily chart, things have been really boring since the beginning of the month. We've just been trading sideways into this pennant formation. We finally got a push to the upside, and this is largely due to the bullish sentiment that we've continued to see in the global markets. Recently, for me, I found it kind of difficult to tell what the markets were going to do because the president of the United States contracted COVID-19, went to the hospital, and then he was making tweets, and each tweet made the market move, and they canceled the stimulus package, they canceled the airline stimulus, and the political climate recently has been quite insane. But what's interesting is that the stock market has been able to continue upward, and this has allowed bullish sentiment to come into the Bitcoin market, and we are breaking above some key resistance. Right now, what we need to look out for is breaking above 11,200. If we go from the swing high at 12,486 to swing low here at 9,813, we can see that we did find rejection right around the 50% fib extension here in middle of September, and now we're coming up to test that once again. In my opinion, if we can get above 11,200, this could in fact send us up towards the $12,000 level. In my opinion, this will have a lot to do with what the global markets do. If the S&P does confirm this breakout and continues running up to the upside and potentially looks to test new all-time highs, then very likely Bitcoin's going to run up towards 12,000 and potentially hit new higher highs for the year. And if this does end up being some kind of major fake out for the stock market and we end up dumping later on, going into the election or something, then very likely Bitcoin is also going to see a dump in price. But right now, Bitcoin is confirming a slightly more bullish posture. And now we're coming up on this very key level around 11,200. And if we can get above that, things could get quite bullish. Now, Ethereum has been lagging a little bit. Ethereum is just now, as I'm making this video, trying to get above that downward sloping resistance. If Ethereum can see an actual breakout here and confirm that, that would very likely help Bitcoin's breakout. And if Ethereum does confirm this breakout, I would look towards Bitcoin because very likely we would start pushing above 11,200 at that point. Generally, Bitcoin and Ethereum are following one another, but it's interesting that sometimes Bitcoin leads breakouts and sometimes Ethereum leads breakouts, and today Bitcoin is leading the breakout. And Ethereum may be looking to add some extra fuel to the Bitcoin breakout if it continues up. Now, what I find super interesting is one of my favorite altcoins, Chainlink, is seeing some really bullish moves. We've created a nice base of support here above that previous resistance in mid-July, and the formation of this pattern could be interpreted as an increase in momentum for the bulls, an inverse head and shoulders pattern. You have a low, a lower low, a higher low, and then we're starting to break out above resistance here. So it does seem like the bulls have regained the momentum, and we're starting to break above the blue 21-day EMA. During the run-up after the all-time high break here above $5, we used the 21-day EMA as a pretty key support indicator for the most part. we generally held above it until things became much more bearish for the crypto market. That's when we started using the 21-day EMA as resistance on the way down. And now we're starting to actually break out above it. This is the most significant price action Chainlink has seen above the 21-day EMA so far. And if this daily candle can confirm a close above the 21-day EMA here, things would likely get very bullish for Chainlink once again. The first major upside target for Chainlink is going to be coming in around 11 US dollars. After that, the next major target is coming in closer to 13 US dollars, actually as high as $13.40. So there is a lot of room to move up here for Chainlink if we can confirm bullish and close this daily above the 21-day EMA. And really what we want to look out for here is using the 21-day EMA as support. Let's say we run up to 11 US dollars and then we get a rejection, pull back to the 21-day EMA. If we confirm that as support and we trend along with it, then very likely the next major target will be coming in closer to 13 US dollars. Obviously, a lot of this is going to have to do with Bitcoin. If Bitcoin can remain bullish, if the global markets can remain bullish and, not get this type of a sell-off, right? But right now it looks pretty good. We're breaking above the falling wedge and we're starting to continue to move up. Maybe we will actually see higher highs in the stock market and maybe things won't be as bearish as I expected. So Chainlink is looking really good. This is a really nice bullish setup. Ethereum is trying to follow Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin is getting above some key resistance. And if we break above 11,200, I do think that very likely we would be pushing up towards 12,000 actually. Definitely keep your eye on the stock market. We got to make sure that we confirm this breakout. And if we do, things will very likely get very bullish once again. Just keep in mind, guys, that things are still kind of uncertain across the world. There's a resurgence of COVID-19 in Europe. Things are shutting down again. The stimulus package was canceled. The airline stimulus was canceled. The political climate is still pretty crazy. So just keep in mind, guys, stay cautious, right? Anything can happen, right? One tweet can change the entire situation. So just keep that in mind. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit the like button if you did, subscribe to the channel, and also sign up for the Crypto Watch platform by using that link below. It's totally free to sign up, and I'll see you guys in the next video.